So this is the room tour, guys, of the double activity room, which is suitable for a family of 4. So as you can see, we're just coming in the door now. And this is the main scope of the room. So basically we have a large queen size bed there, with drawers at the side, plug points and a light. And then we have the double bed there, so you could have a family of 4 in this room. So both nice size beds, and again light, plenty of plug points and drawers in between the beds. So then we have this window here that has blinds, and behind that is the bathroom. So you can have privacy and more light shines through if you've got the blinds open. You've got this storage point here for a suitcase and 2 large drawers underneath. So that's handy storage. So then we've got this area for the wardrobes. So lots of nice storage here. Hanging, storage above, and 3 drawers there as well, and space for shoes. So really handy storage in that wardrobe. And also next to it, it's all very modern, we have got another wardrobe with 2 shelves, a safe, and another 4 drawers. So again, all handy storage there. So then we've got this large side unit and a nice big mirror with some lighting. It's great for storing your bits and bobs, and obviously you've got your kettle and tea, coffees, milks, etc. And again, there's space under there and another 2 drawers there also. Handy storage. And all underneath, we've just popped some shoes under there, but it did come with this little cube seat, so like a dressing table area. This is the TV size, and more space on the floor here where we put some cases. And then here we have the fridge, and every 2 days this is stocked with large bottles of waters, beers, minerals, sparkling wine, and we've put our own stuff in as well. So lastly here we have our balcony. Each room comes with a balcony and 4 seats. This drying rail, which is handy for drying all your towels and swimsuits on a night, and a lovely view of the pool area there. And also down there's all the swim rooms. Yeah, so really nice room and setting, and then got a view of the mountains over this side. And then going back to the doors to walk back through the room. So yeah, nice size room, plenty of storage, plug points, etc., aircon. So yeah, all in all, a really nice modern room. So I'll finish off with the bathroom. So lastly, this is the bathroom. As you go in, you have mirror and bath. So the bath's lovely and large, and this is the window that I was telling about with the blinds. So as you can see through to the rest of the room. You can also shut these off as well for privacy. So we've got a shower over the bath there as well, and a rack of towels up above, and then a mirror and the toilet, 2 windows and a bin hanger. So yeah, nice little bathroom. And so you've got a main power shower and another wash shower, and a little shelf up above, and then obviously the area there at the sink. As you can see, you've got a hairdryer and dispensable soap, and you've also got some storage and towels underneath for bits and bobs as well. So yeah, great storage, great size bathroom, lovely and clean and modern. So yeah, it's great for us, family of 4, 2 adults, 2 children. So I hope you found this video really helpful, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye!